Welcome to chemistry class, and we are balancing chemical equation. As you can see, we start with carbon 1 balanced, and oxygen we have 1 there, and we have 3 and 2, so we're going to add 2 on the other side, balancing everything. So oxygen there is 4, and there is 2 times 2 making it 4. So 2 times 2 for oxygen is 4, and then it's 2 and 2 balance. And nitrogen is 2, then on the other side is 1, we multiply by 2. And then we have oxygen, which is 5 plus that 1 is 6, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So everything is balanced, all the elements. Hydrogen 2 and then 2 on that side, so everything is balanced. Coming to the third equation, carbon 1 balanced, hydrogen 4, and then let's look at the other side. We have hydrogen, which is 1, so that means we put 4 on the other side, so hydrogen is balanced. Then let's look at chlorine, and chlorine we have 4 there and 4 making it 8. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let's see if it's going to work. And then we put 2 there making it 4, but we have 4 plus 4 making it 8, so the 2 won't work. Then that means that we'll have to cancel the 2 and put 4. Then we check carbon 1 balance, hydrogen 4 balance, and chlorine 4 times 2 8, and then 4 plus 4, that's 8. So that is balanced. And then we come in and check for the fourth equation. We have aluminium, which is 4, and then aluminium is 1, so we can multiply by 4 times 1 to make it 4. Carbon 3, and then we have 1 carbon there, so we can multiply it by 3 to make it 3. Hydrogen, we have 2 hydrogen on the left, and on the right we have 3 times 4 making it 12, and then 3 times 4 making it 12. So what do we do? So it's 2 on the other side, it's 12 plus 12, 24. Well, that is going to be 12, and there is 12. So 12 plus 12 makes 24 for hydrogen. Then we have 2 on the other side. What we'll have to do is 24 divided by 2 making it 12. So that means we multiply by 12. We multiply by 12 on the left side. Okay, so let's check aluminium 4, carbon 3, and then hydrogen, that's 24, and then hydrogen on the other side is 24, on the other side I think it's also 24, 12, so that makes 24. And then going back, we have to check on oxygen, so we have 12 there, so, and then oxygen there, 4 times 3 is 12. So every oxygen is balanced. So when we balance others, then other elements changes in quantity. So we have 5 carbon on there, so 5 times 2 making it 10. So sometimes the even numbers we have to double them to make it simple. Instead of 5, let's put 5 times 2 making it 10. So if it doesn't work out, we'll still go back and put 5, and then that means 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then hydrogen there we have 20. And then let's look at how much hydrogen we have there. Yeah, so that's 20 there. And then we have hydrogen there 2, so we multiply by 10 to make it 20. So it's 10, hydrogen is covered. Then what we have to do, that is 20 there for hydrogen and 20 also for hydrogen, so it's covered. So what we do next, we have to go to oxygen. Okay, oxygen 2 times 2 making it 4, and then we have there, which is 2, so that is 4 plus 2 is 6, and then we have oxygen there, which is 20, and that is 10 making it 30. So we have 6 on the left hand side. On the right side we have 30. So 6 plus x is 30. So solving for x there will mean we will have to get 24. But the best way would be we just say 4 on the other side, because we need to know how much we should add. So it's 4 plus x, because we don't know how much is there, how much should be there. So it's 4 plus x making it 30. Alright. right? So x is going to be 30 minus 4. So x is going to be 26. 26, not 24, 26. So 30 minus 4 is 26. Then we are going to divide 26 divided by 2, making it 13. So we now need to know that 4 plus 13 times 2. Okay, so that means we'll have 13 there. That is 13 times 2 is 26 plus 2 times 2, 4, making it 30. So oxygen is 30 on the other side and also 30 on the other side. So remember the simple atom you balance last. Like we have to balance oxygen last because it's the simplest compound there. It's O2. So coming to iron, we have 2 on the right, we have 1 there, so we multiply by 2, and then that is 2 times 2. Oxygen, that is 2 plus that's 4, that's 6 on the left hand side. So how many we have on the right? We have 3 times 4, that's 12, and then we have 2, we have 1. Alright, so oxygen is 1. And then what do we do? So which means that is 6. Okay, that will give us that's going to be 6 there, and then there that is 2, which means that okay, so what we have to do, we have 6, and then that means we are going for hydrogen. So 6, 4, sulfur 1, 1, so we put 4 there. Let's try 6. So we put 6 there to make it 12, and then that is 2, and then that one there, 2 times 3 is 6. So that means we have to work out with the second compound, sulfuric acid. So that is 6, and then that one there would be 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and then we have 6. So hydrogen 6 there, and then that one there will be 6. That means we have 12. So 6 times 2 is going to be 12. So that means the hydrogen is balanced. So you try around and see which one works. And then the next one will be oxygen. Oxygen, we have 6 there, 2 times 3 is 6, and then oxygen is 12, so that is 18. So let us look on the oxygen there. We have 3 times 4 is 12, and then 6, so 6 plus 12 gives us 18. So oxygen is balanced. So everything is balanced on that equation. And then next we go to the last one. The last one is magnesium. We have 3, and then we have 1. So obvious we have to put 3 there. 3 times 1, 3. So 3, 3. Nitrogen is 2. And then we come to nitrogen. There is also 2. So nitrogen is balanced. Let's come to hydrogen. Hydrogen, we have 2 there. And then hydrogen there, 4 times 2 is 8. So which means 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Now that means we have to put 4 on that other side. Okay, then from there let's check element by element and see if it actually matches. We can see that we have, so that is it's 3 for sulfur, and then 4 for sulfur, then 4, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So sulfur is also balanced. Then we can see that 4 times 4 is 16 for oxygen, and 3 times 4 is 12, and then we have 4 there, which is also that is 16. Adding that gives us 16. So it's 16 there for oxygen. Then everything is balanced, and then that's it. So what you require is homework. So the lithium plus nitrogen gas gives us lithium nitrate, and then nitrogen, and then from there you can just do all the questions. Remember to pause and go through all the questions and make sure that you understand. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe. Any question, leave the comments below. Highly appreciate. Thank you, and this is your tutor, Black Adam.